On the left-hand side near the bottom, there's an arrow. If you open that menu, you can see Draw, Tag, Sort, Stats, and Favorites. With the Draw function, you can draw over clips with 3 different colors: blue, red, and yellow. Mark the clip how you want, then press Save. This will save the drawing to that clip for later review. You can also press Whiteboard to bring up a blank white screen to draw on. Just like the other feature, you can save it to the clip. A watermark icon will appear at the top of the clip on the bottom of the screen, showing that the clip has a drawing saved to it. Pressing the Undo button undoes the last thing that was drawn. To view drawings after you've saved them, select the clip, tap on Draw, and then Screenshots, and then select the drawing you want to view. This automatically gets shared to all iPads on the network, so a coach can draw on a play, and another coach can go to that same play on his iPad and view the screenshot. Next is the Tag function. Tagging is how you make custom tags for clips, which can be applied to whichever clip you currently have selected. You must provide the tag name, but the export category is optional. The export category is an option that allows you to provide a category name that you can use once your ODK data is exported off the app into a computer in a CSV file, so that you can sort tags by category later. To take advantage of this option, you'll need to match the category name exactly for each unique tag within the category. The tag name must always be unique. You can't have any tag names identical to one another, or they'll get overwritten. The tag name will also be sortable once it is applied to a clip. The sort function is a way to filter clips that meet certain criteria. Note that sorting by multiple criteria attributes is exclusive, not inclusive, meaning that if you sort by multiple attributes, only clips that possess all of the attributes will appear. For example, if you sort by offense and first down, it'll show only the clips that are both first downs and offense. If you sort by offense and defense, no clips will appear, because it's not possible to have a play that is both offense and defense at the same time. You can also sort by your favorite plays and any custom tags you've created. If you've been using our in-depth tagging features, the stats page is a great place to view the culmination of all recorded play statistics. The right-hand side shows the stats for each team in each category. On the left-hand side, you'll have the ability to filter the stats by certain criteria. In this short example, there are 6 plays, kickoff, and the first series of a game. There are 2 plays on 1st and 10, 1 on 2nd and 5, 1 on 3rd and 5, and 1 on 2nd and 8. If we go into Stats on the left and filter by second down, you can see under Example Team that there are 2 plays matching that description. If we narrow down the criteria even further to filter plays down to both second down and with yards to go between 4 and 7, you can see it filtered down to 1 total play. In an actual game, these stats on the right side would have more information, such as total yards, passing, and rushing. While you can filter manually, you'll usually be using preset shortcuts or tapping Next Play, which automatically filters by down and distance and field position for the next play in the game. This is an extremely useful tool for seeing your opponent's tendencies and maybe even predicting what their next move will be, allowing you to adjust your play accordingly. The Favorite function is a great way to mark a play that you want to focus on later, either for review or just to show off a particularly great play. A favorited play will have a star that appears on the clip at the bottom of the page, and it's easily sortable from the Sort menu. On the right-hand side of the screen, there are ODK buttons and a tag icon. The ODK buttons are additional quick access buttons that you can use to easily tag the play you're viewing as offense, defense, or kicking. The tag icon opens up the in-depth tagging menu. For a full walkthrough of in-depth tagging by down, distance, field position, auto-tagging, and many other functions, please see our How to Tag a Game Help Center article, which has its own video walkthrough. To close the tagging menu, tap the tag icon again.